This is the easier way of threading a needle. Many people take the thread to the needle, but it's better to take the needle to the thread. I'm demonstrating with thick thread, multiple threads actually, just so you can see. And I've already trimmed the top off so it's neat. I've licked it and I'm flattening it between my first finger and my thumb. My hands are on a steady surface. I'm supporting my hands together and lowering the needle, the eye of the needle, onto the thread. There we are. Now I pull the thread to about a third, the surplus thread, to about a third of the length of the thread I've cut. I hold the needle between my thumb and forefinger to sew, but I tend to tuck the thread between the ring finger and the small finger to keep it tight, and I let out a bit of thread as I need to, as I go. Now I'm going to demonstrate with a thinner needle, just to show you that it's possible. This is ordinary thread you'd use for mending most clothes, so it's quite thin. And again, I've trimmed it, and I've pressed it, licked it and pressed it between my forefinger and my thumb, steadied my hands, and now I'm going to lower the needle over the thread. And I only have a very short bit of thread showing because it makes it firmer. And there we are, there's the thread. It is possible.